This is grade 7, chapter 9, part 5. So we're going to work on word problems now. So the elevation of Death Valley, California is 86 meters below sea level. So for me, this works if I draw pictures. So I know that sea level is right here. And for those that don't know, sea level starts at 0 meters. That's what 0 meters is, what sea level is recorded as. So if Death Valley is down here at negative 86, and New Orleans, Louisiana is 84 meters higher, we're going up 84 meters. So the question that they're asking is negative 86 plus, because we're moving up 84 meters, plus 84 meters equals, it's still negative 2. Negative 2 meters below sea level. So what is the elevation of New Orleans? It's negative 2 meters above sea level. So the second part, a pelican was flying at a height of 4 meters above the ocean. The pelican dove 6 meters down and caught a fish. Use the sum of the two integers to represent the situation. So this is the bird right here. That's a bird. Trust me. Caw-caw. Do you hear it? Okay, there you go. 4 meters above the sea. So we know that the sea is here. And that's 4 meters. That's where the bird is flying. It dove 6 meters down. So when it dives, it goes 6 meters down. So when we add these up, 4 meters plus, when we're using negative 6 because it went down, negative 6 meters, we get negative 2 meters. So it ended up, it caught the fish at negative 2 meters below sea level. The final example, the elevation of the top of Mount Everest is 8,848 meters above sea level. The elevation of the Dead Sea is 411 below sea level. So calculate the difference between these elevations. So difference means subtract. So we're going to take Everest way up here at 8,848, and we need to find out. Let's draw the sea again. Here's the sea here. And the Dead Sea is down here at 411. Dead Sea. And this is Mount Everest. So we need to find out how much this is right here. If we take 8,848 and we subtract negative 411, because that's how much it's below. So there's a whole bunch of different ways you can do this. You can look at this as negative 408 till 0 to 0 is 8,848, and then 0 to 411 is 411. So you can add those, and you're going to get roughly the same number as you do if you subtract negative 411, because you're trying to find the difference between these. So negative 800 is, we know that negative and negative is two negatives beside each other equals positive. So 8,848 plus 411, and we're going to get 9,259 meters. So word problems are tricky, but if you draw it out, it really helps to realize whether you're supposed to have a smaller number, a bigger number, and to work all those things else. If you have questions, because I know this is a tricky lesson, please come see me. We'll talk about it in class. Okay, thanks.